If your legs still look the same after months of training, you're making one of these 3 mistakes. Let's break down exactly why your legs aren't growing and how to fix it. Mistake number 1, quarter rep squats. If you're not reaching full depth, you're barely activating your quads, and that's a huge reason your legs are stuck. The fix is simple. Go full depth every rep. Full range of motion means full muscle activation. That's where real growth happens. Mistake number 2, using the same weight forever. If you're not progressively adding load, your legs have no reason to grow. Progressive overload is non-negotiable. Add weight, add reps, or add sets over time. Your legs adapt to the demand you place on them. And mistake number 3, no recovery. Your legs don't grow in the gym. They grow when you rest. Skip recovery and you're leaving gains on the table. Fix your depth, progressively overload, and recover properly. Do those 3 things consistently and your legs will finally start growing. Save this and start applying it today. If your core routine is just endless crunches like this, you're straining your neck more than you're training your abs. This isn't real core training. It's barely scratching the surface. Real core training starts with bracing, tightening your core like you're about to get punched. That's the foundation every core exercise should build on. The plank isn't about how long you can hold it. It's about resisting your lower back from sagging. That's called anti-extension, and it's one of the most underrated core skills. This is the Pallof press, an anti-rotation exercise. Instead of twisting your core, you're resisting rotation, which builds functional oblique strength you'll actually use. Want to target your lower abs specifically? Hanging leg raises are one of the best tools you have. Just keep it controlled. No swinging, no momentum. Once bodyweight core work gets easy, add resistance. Weighted sit-ups and crunches let you keep progressing your core, just like any other muscle. Brace it, stabilize it, resist rotation, and progressively load it. That's real core training. Ditch the endless crunches, and this is the core you'll actually build.